Welcome back to another video of the Parl. You might not have been watching my videos, but just in case you have been watching my videos or not, I have been talking about my recent pepper plants a lot. First, these are like the habanero peppers right here. So these are some habaneros. Alright, I have been talking about my Jamaican hot peppers, which are actually in the back. So the habaneros are beside me and the Jamaican hot peppers are in the back, which it's fall now, and the leaves of the Jamaican hot peppers, they're actually turning more yellow. But I finally have some good news about them, and it's that they're finally holding some peppers from about, I've been growing them since about March, and they've been at good sizes since about May there about, yeah. So for months I've been hoping and praying that these plants will finally just hold some fruits before the winter catches them, and finally my prayers have been answered and something is finally going on for them, and you can actually see the shape and everything. So let's just get to the peppers, you know. This is one right here, so you can actually see, like, even if you look at this one right here, you can see the shape of the Scotch bonnet. It has the Scotch bonnet shape. And over on this side we have a few. So I am feeling rather happy or elated right now about the Scotch bonnet peppers finally holding. And yeah, the habaneros are pushing out some new ones as well. So this is the joy of my week, and especially of my day today, especially taking this video about my peppers. Yeah, so this is it. So mostly still getting blossoms, but this is it. So thank you for watching this video, and look out for some Scotch bonnet peppers in full size.